How to develop an irresistible packaging for your brand. How to make your packaging triggers the consumers to purchase your brand. Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello my friends, how are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic that will make or break your brand. It's the packaging. Think of packaging as the face of your brand. The first impressions the consumers get when they see your product. Packaging is not just a container, it's the whole experience. So, how do you develop an irresistible packaging that triggers the consumers to purchase your brand? Let's find out. First off, standing out in a crowded market is crucial. Imagine you're applying for a job and you are in a room full of job applicants. You only have few minutes to impress the interviewers. What will make or break that first impression? It's the same thing with packaging. You need to catch the consumer's attention on the shelf among other brands. It is not an easy task, considering consumers only have few seconds scanning all the options on the shelf. So, here are some things to consider. Understand the visual cues the consumers expect in the specific category. If you are selling baby products, putting a baby face on your packaging can be a head start. If you are selling cosmetic products, then put a picture of beautiful woman, for example. Find out what visuals the consumers consider essential in your category and put them in your packaging. Clearly establish your brand's identity on the packaging. When consumers look at your brand's packaging from the distance, they should know exactly who you are. Focus on clear and identifiable branding. Learn how consumers in your category interact with the packaging. Do they read the back panel? What information do they compare when choosing between brands? This will decide what information you're going to put on your packaging and how to present it. For example, a health-conscious consumer will scrutinize the back panel of the food packaging to count calories. Be selective with the text on your packaging. Avoid overwhelming your consumer with too much information. Choose only one key message you want your consumer to take away from their brief interaction with your packaging. Use on-pack claims to close the sale. This is because the right claims on your packaging can convince the consumer to purchase your product. Identify the consumer's barrier and address those barriers with power claims that highlight your brand's strength. Remember, the point of purchase is where the consumers make final purchase decision. It can be in the stores, it can be an online platform. Use this opportunity to draw attention to a specific product features. Use it to give them reassurance. Or highlight any superiority of your brand have compared to the competition. When facing space constraints problem on your packaging, be creative. Use stickers, merchandising materials, and in-store display to get your message across. Remember, packaging is more than just a container. It is your brand ambassador on the shelf. So, invest time and effort to develop an irresistible packaging that triggers consumers to buy your brand. That is how you make long-lasting impressions and drive the sales. How about you? How do you develop attractive packaging for your brand? Please write in the comment sections below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, then please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Stay tuned for more exciting discussion on business and management. Until next time, take care and keep rocking those brands. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.